Now here also we have to simplify this expression. So we will make use of the identities. First a plus b whole square and then a minus b whole square. So this becomes a square, that is 25a square, plus b square, that is 9b square, plus 2ab, 2 into 5a into 3b, right? Then we have minus sign here, so we will put minus into, open this, now this is a minus b whole square, that becomes 25a square plus 9b square, but this time minus 2ab, 2 into 5a into 3b, right? This part over, and then we have minus 60ab. We'll keep it as it is. Fine. Let's now simplify this. So we will get 25a square plus 9b square plus 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30ab. Here we will simplify it first and then multiply by negative sign. So we will get 25a square plus 9b square minus 5 2s are 10, 3s are 30ab. Fine. And then we have this minus 60ab also. Now this will become 25a square plus 9b square plus 30ab, and if we multiply by this negative sign, we will get minus 25a square minus 9b square, minus and minus will become plus 30ab, and then we have this minus 60ab. Now let's see if we can cancel anything here. Yes, this and this will go, this and this will also go. So we are left with 30ab plus 30ab, that is 60ab, and we already have minus 60ab here. So 60ab minus 60ab is 0, right? Okay, now let's try this. Here again we'll make use of the identity a plus b whole square. So that is a square, which is 9x square, plus b square, which is 1, plus 2ab, 2 into 3x into 1, right? And then here minus, here we can't use any identity, so even we can make use of x plus a into x minus b, right? So let's make use of that identity. So what is x plus a into x minus b? It is x square, that is 3x whole square, then minus b minus a, that is 1 minus 2 into x. So what is my x? 3x. Then minus ab. What is my a and what is my b? Minus 2 into 1, right? So this is basically my x plus a and this is x minus b, right? And we know that if we have something like x plus a into x minus b, that is equal to x square minus b minus a into x and then minus ab, right? Same we have done here. Now this was my x, so x square minus, this is a and this is b, so b minus a, that is 1 minus 2 into x which is 3x, and then minus 2 into 1. So finally I have here 9x square plus 1 plus 6x, because 2 into 3x into 1 is 6x, right? And then we have minus, this is 9x square, this will become minus 1. Minus 1 into minus becomes plus 1. Plus 1 into 3x becomes plus 3x. And then minus 2. Right? Now we will get 9x square plus 1 plus 6x. Now we will multiply by this negative sign. So this will give me minus 9x square, minus 3x and plus 2. Now let me see. This and this will go, right? So I am finally left with 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 6x minus 3x is 3x. So if I take 3 common, I will get 1 plus x, or you can simply write it as 3 into x plus 1. This is your answer.